I'm Martin here from M&K Roofing. We're on a property today over in London. We will be carrying out some repairs to this valley. I've recommended the FLEXITEC system. I'll be taking you through a stage-by-stage process of how we get this done. As you can see, the valley's failed. It's failed in several areas. Instead of replacing the whole complete lead valley, we'll save costs. We've recommended the FLEXITEC system. We'll be preparing the surface, priming it, and then installing the FLEXITEC system. Surface has been primed, leave to cure, fibreglassing installed. As you can see, it's completely seamless. This is the area where the crack was. Final finish. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below.